Good evening, my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Now, my dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter of our grammar portion. So, do you know what is the name of our chapter? See, the name of our chapter is Adjectives. What is the name of our chapter? The name of our chapter is Adjectives. So about adjectives we are going to study and learn today. Now my dear students, tell me one thing, what do you know about adjectives or what is meant by adjectives? Adjectives. See, the word only it gives the main important things. See, adjectives. Adjectives means it gives more information about noun. Understood? What is adjective? Adjective is the word that gives more information about noun. नहीं समझ में आया? Wait, I'll give you one example. Now, the roses are red in color. What is the sentence? The roses are red in color. Now, in this sentence, what is adjectives? Don't know? See, the adjective is red. What red is saying to us? That the roses are red in color. Rose is noun. Yes, and red color is saying us more about noun. Red color हमें क्या बता रहा है? Noun के बारे में. Noun क्या है? Rose. So, red color is saying that the roses are red in color. Understood? No? I'll give you one more example. Khushbu is a beautiful girl. Now in this sentence, what is adjective? Khushbu is a beautiful girl. See, the adjective is beautiful. Why beautiful? Because it's saying us about noun. Noun Khushbu. Beautiful क्यों है adjective? ब्यूटीफुल इसलिए एडजेक्टिव है कि वो अपने को नाउन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बता रहा है. अब नाउन क्या है? खुशबू है ना. तो खुशबू इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. खुशबू क्या है? एक ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल है. तो इसमें एडजेक्टिव क्या हो गया हमारा? ब्यूटीफुल. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज वेरी सिंपल एंड दिस एडजेक्टिव लेसन इज माय फेवरेट because it gives us more information about noun. Adjective मेरा favorite इसलिए है वो हमें noun के बारे में information देता है. Understood? Now I am going to say you the definition of adjectives. But let me tell you one thing, my dear students. You have to write this definition in your copy. आपको हर एक चीज का definition अपने copy में लिखना है. Understood? So come, I'll show you the definition of adjectives. Look on board. Now what is the definition of adjectives? See, adjectives describes about noun by telling us its size, shape, age and color. Understood what is adjective and what is the definition of adjective? The definition of adjective is, हमारा एडजेक्टिव का डेफिनेशन ये है. एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट नाउन बाय टेलिंग अस इट्स साइज, शेप, एज एंड कलर. सी, एडजेक्टिव क्या है? एडजेक्टिव्स हमें नाउन के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे भी हो सकती है? नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, कलर ऑफ अ पर्सन, प्लेस और एनिमल और थिंग, शेप ऑफ अ साइज एंड एज. इंफॉर्मेशन किसी भी टाइप की हो सकती है. नेम, शेप, साइज एंड कलर इसके फॉर्म में भी. आई गिव यू वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सी, लुक ऑन बोर्ड. आई हैव फिंगर्स. नाउ इट्स अ कॉमन सेंटेंस दैट आई हैव फिंगर्स. बट इन एडजेक्टिव सेंटेंस हाउ यू विल से दिस? आई हैव 10 fingers. So in adjectives what you will say? I have how many fingers? 10 fingers. So in this what is adjective? 10. Understood? 10 is the adjectives.
Now my dear students, we will move towards exercise questions, right? Let's see what is our first question. Question A. Pick out the adjectives from the following sentence. Also write the noun or pronoun they describe. One has been done for you. Now see, in these sentences are given here. We have to pick out noun, pronoun and adjectives. Three things we have to pick from the sentence, right? See, first one is done for us. What is the first? The old man lived in a town. It is a first sentence. And first we will say adjective. What is adjective? Old. And what is noun? Man. So like this we have to write adjectives, nouns or pronoun if it is there in the sentence. So come, let's start. Our second sentence. India is a big country with a very large population. Now it is a second sentence. So what will be our answer? We have to write adjective. So what is adjective here? Big. So big is the adjective. So we will write adjective big, and noun is India. So we will write noun in India. Now next, the black crow was sitting on the window of the big house. Now adjective is here black and noun is house, right? So we will write noun house and adjective black. Now my dear students, we will turn the page. Now here, fourth one, the famous artist bought a new picture. Now in this adjective is famous and noun is picture, right? Next is the young lady was wearing a brown skirt. Now here adjective is young and noun is lady. Next is the hungry dog chased the small cat. Now here adjective is hungry and noun is cat. Now we will move towards next question. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from those given in the brackets. Now we have to fill in these blanks with these adjectives given in the bracket, right? So come, let's start. Now first is this bag is dash and sturdy. So options are new and brave. So we will write new. So this bag is new and sturdy. Next is Delhi is a big city. We will write big. In summer we like to have cold drinks. We will write here cold. Now Neelam is wearing a pretty dress. Right, we will write here pretty. Now next, only a strong person can lift this cupboard. Now next is strong. Now sixth, a sharp knife was used to cut the apple. So our answer is sharp. Understood? Here we have completed this question. Now let's move towards our next question. And my dear students, this question is your homework. अंडरस्टूड? ये आपका आज का होमवर्क है. अब आपको आपके होमवर्क में क्या करना है? यू हैव टू री राइट द सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग द अपोजिट ऑफ द अंडरलाइन एडजेक्टिव्स. सी, आपको ये सेंटेंस को वापस से यहाँ री राइट करना है, मतलब लिखना है उसके अपोजिट अंडरलाइन एडजेक्टिव्स में. अब देखिए यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव्स क्या है? ब्राउन. अब आपको एडजेक्टिव्स का ऑपोजिट का सेंटेंस बनाकर यहाँ लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज योर होमवर्क. नाउ लेट्स मूव टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ आवर क्वेश्चन डी, राइट? Now let's move towards our next question. And what is the next question? Given below are some colors which make pairs with other adjectives to form a specific color. Select the words from the box and write them in the blanks to make the pairs. One has been done for you. Now see my dear students, यहाँ बॉक्स में आपको आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपको यहाँ वर्ड्स के पैर बनाना है. अंडरस्टूड? तो हमें इन बॉक्स के वर्ड से हेल्प से इनके पैर बनाना है। जैसे फर्स्ट हमें करवाया गया है चेरी रेड, मतलब यहाँ कलर्स के नेम दिए हुए हैं, हमें इसको मैच करना है। तो फर्स्ट वन इज चेरी रेड, सेकेंड वन इज मिल्की, so we will write here white, WHITE, milky white. Now muddy brown, BROWN, brown. Now ash gray, GREY, gray. Pearl white, WHITE, white. Second is grassy green. Fourth is jet black. Next is golden yellow, baby pink, 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 and last is sky blue. Understood? So here we have matched the words. Now let's move towards our next page. See your next question. Complete the crosswords by using the opposite of the underlined adjectives. See, दिस इज़ योर टुडेज होमवर्क। ये क्वेश्चन भी आपका आज का होमवर्क है। अब आपके इस होमवर्क में आपको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द क्रॉसवर्ड्स बाय यूजिंग द ऑपोजिट ऑफ द अंडरलाइन एडजेक्टिव्स। यहाँ क्रॉसवर्ड्स दिए हैं, ठीक है, बॉक्सेस दिए हैं, तो हमें ये जो अंडरलाइन एडजेक्टिव्स है उसका ऑपोजिट बनाकर यहाँ लिखना है। अंडरस्टूड? ऑपोजिट, इनके अंडरलाइन किए हुए वर्ड्स का ऑपोजिट हमें यहाँ लिखना है। तो ये है आपका आज का होमवर्क। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क। अब इस होमवर्क में आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू टिक द एडजेक्टिव्स दैट डू नॉट फिट इन ईच रो। मतलब यहाँ नाउन और एडजेक्टिव्स दिए हुए हैं, बट आपको वो एडजेक्टिव्स को टिक करना है जो एडजेक्टिव्स ये रो में फिट नहीं करते। अंडरस्टूड? उनको टिक करना है, ऐसा टिक करना है। सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क। नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टर्न द पेज. Let's move towards our next question. So what is the next question? Complete the sentence with suitable adjectives from the box. See, here adjectives are given here. We have to complete this sentence. So the first is the dog is dash than the cat. Now what we will write? Taller, bigger, larger, longer, stronger. Now we will write bigger, BIGGER, bigger. Now next, the table is dash than the chair. We will write longer. The table is longer than the chair. Bridges is taller than his brother, TALLER, taller. The old man is dash than the young man. We will write stronger, STRONGER, stronger. A lion has dash ears than a leopard. Larger, LARGER, larger. Right? Understood? We have completed this question also. Now we will move towards next question. And what is next question? Choose suitable adjectives from the box to complete the following sentence. See, here also adjectives are given in the boxes. We have to complete these adjectives. We have to fill these blanks by writing these adjectives, right? So first we will see the dash girl will win the contest. Now here it will come cleverest. So we will write CLEVERSEST, cleverest. The dash boy won the 100-meter race. The fastest. Now FAST, T-E-S-T, fastest. The ice cream he ate was the sweetest one. S-W-E-E-T-E-S-T, sweetest one. Today is the dash day of the season. Hottest. H-O-T-T-E-S-T, hottest day of the season. He swam in the dash part of the pool, deepest. D-E-E-P-E-S-T, deepest, right? Let's take the dash approach to the forest. Now here, easiest. Let's take the easiest approach. Right? We have completed this question. Now move towards the next page. Now we will see next question. See, fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives from the brackets. Now you have to fill these blanks by using the correct adjectives from these brackets, right? So we will see first. A deer runs dash than a hare. What is right? Adjective faster. So you will write faster. So next, a car is dash than a motorcycle. A car is slower than a motorcycle. You will write this slower. Slower लिखोगे. A bus is dash than a car. A bus is heavier. आप heavier लिखोगे यहाँ. Next is silver is dash than lead. Lighter. आप यहाँ lighter लिखोगे. Understood? The pencil is dash than the pen. The pencil is longer than the pen. You will write longer. A table is dash than a chair. A table is stronger than a chair. Understood? Now my dear students, your next question, and this question is also your homework, right? Now what you have to do in this homework? Complete the following table suitably. Now it is the very easiest homework. ये आपका बहुत easy है homework. आपको क्या करना है? complete करना है ये टेबल को. जैसे adjectives दिया हुआ है तो आपको compare करना है. low, lower, lowest. L-O-W-E-R lower, L-O-W-E-S-T lowest. ये लिख के. So here my dear students, we have completed our today's lesson.